The HP Spectre x360 has seen many versions over the years, consistently impressing creative professionals and visual-focused users, and the 2024 14-inch model is no exception. With its signature OLED display, high-end specs, and sleek design, this 2-in-1 laptop stands out as a compelling choice. Sleek shots of the laptop. Let's dive into what makes the HP Spectre x360 14 a serious contender in the premium laptop space. Segment. HP has mastered the art of stylish laptops, and the Spectre x360 14 is no different. Wrapped in nightfall black aluminum with subtle gold accents, it's as premium as they come. But there's more than just look. This device is made from 50% post-consumer and ocean-bound plastic and 85% recycled materials, making it an eco-conscious choice. At 3.09 lbs, it's slightly heavier than some competitors like the Lenovo Yoga 9i and HP Elite Dragonfly. If portability is your top priority, you might want to consider lighter options. Display segment. Now, let's talk about the display. The Spectre x360 14 may not have the 4000 resolution of its larger sibling, but its 2.8000 OLED screen is still stunning. Colors pop with an impressive 100% sRGB coverage and an ultra-high 187% volume vibrancy. The contrast is exceptional with deep inky blacks. However, brightness is a bit of a drawback, maxing out at 365 nits less than the MacBook Pro's 500 nits. Still, for creatives, this screen is a dream to work with. Keyboard touchpad segment. Moving on to the keyboard and touchpad, the HP Premium keyboard has excellent travel and tactile feedback, making typing a pleasure. It's even spill resistant. The touchpad is massive at 6.3 inches, smooth and responsive. Some might find it too slick, but overall, it's a fantastic input experience. Performance battery segment. Under the hood, the Spectre x360 14 is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H chip, backed by 32 GB of RAM and a massive 2 TB SSD. This combo ensures smooth multitasking and great graphics performance with Intel Arc graphics. Benchmark scores are respectable. Single-core performance is solid but slightly behind Apple's M3 MacBook Air. Multi-core and graphics scores are competitive, making this a powerful machine for creative work. Battery life? Impressive. A 68W battery delivers over 14 hours of use, surpassing HP's up 13-hour claim. And with fast charging, you get 50% battery in just 45 minutes. For its ports features segment. Ports are minimal, just 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A, and a headphone jack. Missing an HDMI port or SD card slot might be a letdown for some, but you can always use an adapter. A highlight? The included HP rechargeable MP2.0 tilt pen, perfect for digital artists. There's also a fingerprint reader and a privacy shutter for added security. Verdict. So, should you buy the HP Spectre x360 14? If you're after a beautifully designed, high-performing 2-in-1 with an OLED screen, this is a fantastic choice. Yes, it's slightly heavier than some competitors and brightness could be better, but overall, it's a strong performer for creatives. Alternatives. If you want a similar experience at a lower price, check out the Lenovo Yoga 9i. Need something even more premium? The HP Elite Dragonfly Gen 4 is the way to go. And for budget-conscious buyers, the Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1 offers solid performance at a lower cost. HP Spectre x360 14 beauty shots. That's the HP Spectre x360 14 in a nutshell. A sleek, powerful, and versatile machine for professionals and creatives alike. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.